I just wanted to shoot a quick video today telling you how you can make money without having to create this whole business, without having to do all this complicated stuff with getting suppliers and sorting out orders and creating listings. I just wanted to tell you a quick way to do it. Doesn't matter how old you are, just a quick way to get started selling online. Now, by no means is this the end goal. This is just to dip your feet into the water and to get you started selling online. And once you get warmed up with it, and once you get used to it, then you can start expanding to Amazon and Shopify and building a huge business. But what is the one tip that I'm going to give you just to start? Well, before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell notification so you know when I bring out new videos, and let's get right into it. So first I'm going to say I just got back from Iceland and the weather here is incredible. I've never gotten off a plane coming back home to London and the weather has been better, like amazing. I feel like I've gone on holiday again. It's boiling. But anyway, the number one tip is to use DHgate. DHgate has a 3-day shipping thing. Not just a 3-day shipping thing, it's got a free shipping thing. So what you can do is to use eBay and DHgate together and literally fuse them together and find stuff to sell, buy it in bulk and sell it. You can buy one item on DHgate, you can buy 50 items on DHgate, but the best thing about it is it can be all for trends and seasons. So for example, it's now the summer, I'll say, so swimming trunks, goggles, maybe even suitcases, that sort of stuff will be in season. Flip-flops, I don't know, lots of other things will be in season. Swimming pool floats, right? Tons of stuff will be in season. So what you can do is you can use DHgate to buy 50, 100, 150, even less. If you've got no money to start with, buy 2, right? You can buy a really small amount, put it on eBay, sell it, buy more, put it on eBay, sell it, buy more. And it's just a great way to make a bit of extra money and to sort of teach yourself how this business works, selling online. Because you don't want to just dive into deep end with China. And I know DHgate is China, but you don't want to dive into deep end, getting orders with minimum order quantities from suppliers and sending them information and getting them sent to Amazon and having to create an Amazon listing. It's just so confusing, so difficult. Unless you take a course, that is. If you take a course, then you're fine. But if you just want to dip your feet into the water and just try online, selling online, just come into this online world, right, of making money, then this is a great way to do it. Just buy a few items and then sell those few items on eBay just to warm yourself up. Let me know what you think, and again, it doesn't matter how old you are. You can be 12, you can be 15, you can be 30, and you can still do this fine. I've been doing this since I was 12, so I have no doubts that you'll be able to do it too. Let me know down in the comments below what you think, if you think it's a great idea just to start yourself in the business world. And yeah, hopefully I will see you in tomorrow's video where I should be bringing out my Iceland video, so we'll see if that happens.